Wealthy Money TV. My name is Vangile, and with me today is my financial advisor, Chenine Ann Gouws, and today we're going to be talking about opening up a bank account and just trying to explore all the various options that you should be looking for with a bank. So I bank with other banks, of course. I'm gonna leave it over to Chenine to say what I should have looked for beyond fast service when choosing a bank. Hi Chenine, how are you?
Fine, and you? But I think that it's very important that you find, that in all corporates you have personalities. Even the company, their brand is a personality. You need to find one that suits you. It's not just about to finding one that's got the cheapest fees or the best service, or it's got someone that, you've got to find someone, a bank that actually you feel comfortable with. You feel comfortable with sharing your hard-earned money with.
Yes.
That you feel that they're listening to you. That you feel that they are trying to service your needs.
Yes.
So that also plays a part.
Yeah.
Then obviously you need to look at the fees. And everybody's different. For example, I might have no debit orders going on.
Mm-hmm.
Then I don't need a package where it is now offering me cheap debit order fees.
Yes.
I need one that says, okay, they're going to give me a total amount. You can have 10 free debit orders a month.
Mm-hmm.
That's going to be more appealing to me than saying,
Yes.
okay, I only pay whatever per debit order. So every person has got a different need. Some banks are far more business orientated, and they've got the business package, like F&B.
Yes.
It's got a very nice way of approaching for businesses. They offer special things like they give you things to help you with your tax and your payroll and all that stuff, which is always very great for small business owners.
Yes.
The rewards programs.
Yes.
Every
Let's talk about
every
rewards
bank has got their
programs.
different types of rewards programs. Now, I actually analysed them a little bit to see what's the differences. Now, I'm not going to go into and say to you, okay, this one is better than this one, because as I said to you, now you need to find a bank that suits you.
Yes.
A lot of them are in a tier system, so you're either in the bottom tier or the top tier. Some of them say to you, for example, we're charging you an annual fee, some of them monthly fee, some of them no fee. To be part of the rewards program.
Oh wow.
And then what are they giving you for that rewards? It's one thing to say that they don't charge you a fee.
Yes.
But then are they giving you the most rewards that you would get somewhere else? And are those
How do I figure out if they're giving me the most rewards? I'll tell you what my thing is. I've got the kind of personality type, as you already know, that if it's going to mean me having to, and this is the irony of it that I'm the writer, but me having to slog through tons of small script and writing to try and figure out what the rewards program offers, I'm not even going to deal with it. And if it's got hidden fees, I'm going to lose my mind. So I've stayed away from all the rewards programs because I'm just like, in case there are hidden fees, I'm not even going to go there because then I'm going to just give myself emotional stress for nothing. So how do I figure out what they all offer?
The simplest thing, you can actually Google it and they will give you a breakdown of all the different rewards programs together.
Okay.
So that's pretty simple in those things. For example, some of the rewards programs, and I don't want to go this bank, but some of the rewards programs offers petrol. Now if you don't have a car, or if you don't really drive much, or if you just go to work and back again, the petrol thing is not going to be a big thing. But if you're a rep, that you're paying for your own petrol, the petrol reward is going to be a big impact on you.
That is something I need to look into.
So that is definitely something, but then you need to really take the time, and I know you say it's a slog, I understand that.
Yes.
For example, let me just use Standard Bank as an example. They have the rewards program on the petrol that you must go to a Caltex.
Yes.
So sometimes you must go an extra 2 blocks to put in the, but at the end of the day, I'm going to say that I use the Standard Bank one for myself, and what I do is for the rewards, for the petrol rewards, I don't use my rewards up for the whole year. In December, my petrol's for free. If I go on holiday, I can travel where I want to, and I know that I've built up a whole petrol allowance for the year that is now my holiday.
Oh wow!
So you can really have a look at each specific one and say, well, this one actually really works for me. This one works for me. It's the same as the rewards programs, whether it's Pick and Pay or Checkers. You've got those ones as well.
And those ones I also don't really.
And you're losing out. You're losing out. So take the time. That's all I can actually say to you is take the time. It's worth it.
Okay. Wow. This sounds really interesting. So what I've learned today is that actually don't ignore these rewards programs.
Not at all.
And understand what your own personal needs are and start to look at what the bank offers and do the offerings actually match my
Your
needs?
needs.
Ah.
100%, yeah.
Oh, okay. Thank you very much, Chenine. That was actually quite amazing. I can't promise to anyone that I'll start using reward programs, but I will make a better effort. Just thinking about it is making me feel like, do I want to go there really? But okay.
Well, let's put it this way. If you manage to do those things, whether it's e-bucks that you're keeping,
Yes.
and say for example you're with F&B and you've got your e-bucks and you keep that for your Christmas holiday, or whether it's not Christmas, your Easter holiday,
Yeah.
you've now got petrol for free, you have got money to go on holiday for free.
Okay. That's
Then we are
convincing.
going to talk again, and you're going to say to me, should I just throw that money away, that whole year's worth of rewards that I could have got, and now I've got nothing to show for it. I could have actually had money in my pocket.
Wow. I have got to reevaluate my banking system. I really have to reevaluate my banking stuff. Okay, well, if you've learned as much as I have in this show, please feel free to contact Chenine. Her contact details at the bottom of the screen, or subscribe to the Wealthy Money YouTube videos, or subscribe to our to our newsletter, where I share my own personal finance tips all around my own personal and emotional journey around personal finances. I look forward to seeing you in the next episode. In the meantime, have a phenomenal day. Bye!